Hello guys, my name is Muhammad and welcome to episode 12 of C++ tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about random numbers. So if you can see from the top here, we added a standard library called C standard lib. That's C standard library. So maybe you'll be thinking, why are we adding a library? So basically, this library can function as a connectivity to the random number. So we import this in order to be able to use the random number, because IOStream library cannot use random number. So we have to import a new library that can be able to use random number. So we're gonna put something like quotes and then rand as a function to create the random number. So when we run this, you'll see that it's output a random number. So wait for it and we'll soon get a random number generator. Okay. So as you can see, we get 41 as our random number. So what if we run it again? Oh my god, we get another 41. Okay, so the reason for this is that this guy right here is not a truly random number. So if we want to create a truly random number, the reason that it output 41 and 41, and if we keep on running it, it will still output 41 as a random number, is that computer follows some certain instructions that are given to it when creating it. So when the creation of computer follows, or the processes of computer follows some certain rules, it is not based on randomness. So you have to give it an instruction to follow. So to give it an instruction to follow, we have to use the srand, that is the one that will generate truly a random number. So before that, we have to import the include ctime. So this ctime enable us to use the random, the srand as follows, and we're going to use time within the srand and put 0. That is, this srand is a function that allows us to create truly random numbers. So there's the seed value. So to put the seed value, we put the time. That is the time that is currently running in seconds in your computer, or in milliseconds. So that is, this guy right here create the truly random numbers inside the function srand. So don't forget this, because it is the thing that will create truly random numbers. So if we kind of want to run this, you'll see that it create truly random number. As you can see, I get 18483, and when I run it again, I wouldn't get 18483, I get 18509. So this is how it keeps on running and giving different output, different random number. So you can even create a random number that is within a range. So we're going to put something like one range. I'm going to put it from the range of 6 or 10. I'm going to make a random number with a range of 6 or 10. So when we run it, we get number between 1 and 10. It gives us a random number between 1 and 10. Okay, I made a mistake. I supposed to put modulo. Okay. So when I compile this, you'll see that it gives, as you can see, it output 2 as a random number. 2 is not greater than 10. So when we compile and run it again, it will output a different random number. As you can see, it output 5. So this will not be greater than 10, because we modulo it by 10 and we added 1 to it. So when we put this rand and we modulo it by the number that we don't want it to kind of exceed, and then we put it in a bracket, and then we plus it by 1. That is when it's created a truly uh, end an end to the random number, that is 10 as an end to the random number. When integer is something between 10. This is how to do it. So I guess we know a little bit about random numbers, and you can create random numbers to create things, or to create games. Like for example, I'm creating an artificial intelligence with a JavaScript right here. So I'm creating an artificial intelligence with JavaScript right here, and this JavaScript is a kind of intelligence, because I use some kind of algorithms and some kind of randomness to create this kind of artificial intelligence. So I guess this is the end of this video. If you like this video, click on the like button. Otherwise, stay tuned for my next video.